Wagwan from Jamaica. Hi everyone, my name is Shanique and I'm here with the lovely
Kamoy. Hi guys.
and we are right here in Montego Bay at the Acre, and we're going to be doing an unboxing of
The pure juicer.
and if you want a pure juicer, don't worry, no matter where you are in the world, you can have one. They have nationwide and worldwide shipping.
If you're new to my channel and you like my content, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Let's get back to the video. I was super excited that I actually have a pure juicer right here at home in Jamaica. So whenever I'm here, I will be able to make delicious cold pressed juices with it. The press applies over 2.5 tons of pressure, which make the juice from this juicer exceptionally good. When you juice with this cold press machine, it does not apply heat that will damage the fruits. Therefore, it has low oxidation, so you'll get all the nutrients and the vitamins that are in the fruit. The stainless steel parts makes it easy to clean. The press cloths are easy to wash, dry, and reuse. If you're worried about the cost, it will pay off in the yield because you will get more juice out of this juicer than a traditional juicer. Now, it's stainless steel, so it's quite heavy, so we had to call in for some reinforcements to take it out of the box. It weighs over 60 pounds, so be careful when lifting it.
Always use good body mechanics and ask for help when you need it.
Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go over a few things that came in the pure juicer. We have the pusher. So this is what we use to push the fruits or vegetables through to grind it here. This is the stage 1, right? We also have, this is the grid that goes right in here, and they have different grids from 10 all the way down to 2. So depending on the size of the food or the fruits that you're going to press, you could change the grid, and it goes right here. We also have these Allen keys, which you use to tighten up the juicer. And of course it comes with some press cloths and the press liner. And what's this?
This is actually my favorite thing about this because it's a periodic table for juicing. So it's basically suggestions of fruits and what they're good for. So this is a big plus, I think.
Yes. And this one, and we also have this nice cloth to keep your pure juicer nice and shiny. And don't forget to read the owner's manual, guys. Don't forget that. And this rubber part is to take off the cutter, whether you have a serrated or a straight cutter, you use this rubber thing to take it off. You don't want to use your hands because it's a little sharp, right? Okay, so we're going to just take this out. So this is the plug. Everything is neatly packed, so you know, carefully. So this part goes on the top here, which I'm going to remove. There's like a rubber part just for shipping, and this goes here. So if you throw anything in here like cranberries or anything, blueberries or anything, it will catch around the rim and go right into the grinder of the stage 1. And this goes inside to push the fruits and vegetables down inside like that. And this is the press that everyone loves to watch because it goes all the way up and it just presses everything. And you get all the delicious juice. It goes right there. And it's all stainless steel. Shiny. Very shiny.